Hey there, I'm Justin with Peak Professional Painting. Today I'm here to talk to you about wood replacement. The first step to determining whether or not a board needs to be replaced is to feel the boards to see if they're experiencing dry rot. If they feel mushy or they feel soft, that means the board's deteriorated and it can't be fixed, it's got to be replaced. Remember that just bondoing or wood puttying a board is not going to be a long-term fix, and I always believe if it's in your budget that we should replace the wood as opposed to just trying to repair it. Second step to wood replacement, as always, is getting the proper measurements and measuring how much linear feet or square feet we're going to be replacing, and that's how we come up with an estimate for you on wood replacement. Third step of wood replacement is to go ahead and remove the boards. Fourth step is we will go to your local hardwood store or lumber yard and size up your wood for a proper wood replacement. Remember, we always match as close as we can. Most of the time, we'll get an exact match of your wood. Occasionally, they've discontinued your wood and we'll get something as close as we can. Fifth step is we'll go ahead and reinstall the new wood and then we'll recaulk it in. Sixth step, if your wood isn't pre-primed, we're gonna go ahead and prime your boards since they're bare to go ahead and give them more protection. Once all your wood's properly installed, we'll go ahead and do one more evaluation to make sure everything is set correctly, and then we'll move forward with the painting. So people always ask us what type of wood replacement services we offer. One thing that we always focus on here is telling you what it is that we can replace and what we can't. We will always give you an estimate for siding boards, trim, eaves, and fascia board replacement. One thing we don't offer here at Peak Pro Painting is hardy board siding replacement, and we don't do windowsill encasement. We always recommend contacting a local handyman or a certified James Hardie installer to go ahead and get that installed. In the rare occasion that you have just too much wood replacement for our company, since we just do minor wood replacement, our estimators or our staff will go ahead and let you know that that's something we can offer, and we recommend that you get that done with a local siding replacement company before we arrive. Once again, I'm Justin with Peak Professional Painting, here talking to you about wood replacement.